In this video, I am going to show you how to set up call conversion tracking in Google Ads. Firstly, go to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account and make sure you're in the correct Google Ads account. Click on the Goals tab, then click Summary under the Conversions section. Click the blue plus New Conversion section button and choose Phone Calls. After choosing phone calls, you'll see three options: calls from ads using call extensions, calls to a phone number on your website, or clicks on your number on your mobile website. Select calls from ads using call extension or call ads, then click Continue. Enter a name like calls from ads and choose settings such as value, count, call length, or conversion window. Then click Create and Continue. If you're using a tracking number on your website, go back and choose calls to a phone number on your website. Click Continue and name the conversion. Choose your desired call length, value, etc. You'll get a tag to install on your website, or use Google Tag Manager to fire this tag when your number is displayed or clicked. Just follow the instructions to install the tag or set up through GTM. Now go to Goals, Conversions, then Settings. Expand all the Conversion Action section and select your manually created calls from ads or calls from website, then save your changes. Finally, go to Campaigns, click Column, then Modify Columns. Use filters or segments to view performance by call source, call duration or campaign, or keyword level.